Okay, yeah, this is the other 2018 Springfield. This one's the classic with the valance fenders, the rounded top bags. Normally have white walls, but they replaced the brand new front tire and did put a white wall back on it. But this one is pretty sharp. It's got Reinhardt racing exhaust on it, so it has a stage one like the other one did as well. Let's see, miles on this one's about 500 less, 15,917. Does have the 111. The first one I showed you, I believe, has the 116. Fully lockable bags that you can lock and unlock with the key fob as well. You can lock and unlock them remotely. Again, I'll have the prices in the comments of this video, so let me know what you think. I'm gonna send one more. I do have one new one. It's been here for a while, so Yolanda will probably be pretty willing to make a deal. Here's number 2. I got one more coming. All right, buddy.